Good morning from my car. Hope everyone's having a great day. It is now, we're in, I don't even know how many snowstorms we've had, but my kids, they're in school and I don't have to pick them up for another few hours. So anyway, I a lot of times I'm on the run and end up just kind of throwing my face together in the car. So I thought that I would show you what I use with just these products. These are 5 products. Sometimes it's less. So it's just all about just quickly pulling myself together. I've had terrible night's sleep, so I feel like under my eyes is always an issue. So I'm gonna start with concealer. I love our Touch Pen. It is just fantastic. It's great coverage, but it's not thick and heavy. And when you put it on, you don't want to get it all the way over here, because if you're over 40 like me, you probably have some little lines and you don't want it to get in there. You want to just open your eye. See, there's one eye done. You do it in a lighter shade than the rest of your face. And then do the other side. Just helps you to look a little bit more awake. And with all these products, it's not about feeling like you have makeup on. It's just feeling a little bit more pulled together and a little bit more refreshed, less of a hot mess. So the next thing that I'm going to do is, I love this this cheek color. You can also use it as, I'm going to use it as a lip color too. And this is our Color Pinch cream blush in caramel. And you're just going to dab it like that. You can do a lot or a little, and then you are going to just dab it in with, it's going to dab it in with your fingers. That gives you a little bit more of a little bit of color, which is so helpful. Let's see if that will stay. Okay, so you got a little bit of color in your cheeks, right? Just enough. I also put this on my lips right here. Actually, love this. It's just really a natural shade. So you could just pretty much go with those things. But if you just want to pep it up, a little mascara. This is the volumizing mascara, which is great. I like the lengthening and the volumizing. I think they're both great products. They're easy to come off at night and they stay on all day, even through a workout. So a little bit more pop of color there. And then I love a good brow pencil. This I'm using in light, and I've got some kind of over plucked brows. So it just kind of opens up your face, not too much. And again, this is another multitasking product. I use it under my eyes for a little bit of just a little bit of eyeliner, and what it should do is just help your lashes to pop out, because essentially they're supposed to be the color of your lashes. And then you can throw on a little lip gloss. This is in Buff, and just like that. So there you go. I used lip gloss. I used eyebrow pencil in light, volumizing mascara, cream blush in caramel, and concealer. So the last thing that I'm going to put on now, because it's gross out, is my hat. So hope this helped you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, and good luck in this weather.